Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to report on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to whatever item that you want to report, or you can go directly to seller's page. So let's go to seller's page. I tap the name of the store, and on its page in the top right corner of your screen you have to tap three-dot button and go to function report. Now select report, and here in this field you can paste product link that you didn't like, and now you have to provide a reason for reporting. So you have to describe your issue as detailed as possible, and also additionally, if you want to, you can upload some proof right here. So it can be any kind of screenshots or photos or other proof to basically support your claim. And you have to submit terms and conditions and submit your reports at the bottom side of the screen. And once submitted, AliExpress will review your reports and will take actions if the seller really broke rules of AliExpress. And also AliExpress might remove the product or even ban the store. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.